I know I said I was going to talk about this thing in this episode, but there is box. When I bought this Beacon 2, it came with film inside, 127 film, and I wasn't sure if I would be able to get it developed anywhere, but here it is, back from the lab. Before we take a look at these. These are really blurry. Let's take a look. If anyone can identify exactly where these were taken, that would be super cool. It appears that it's something from the 60s. It appears to be some sort of high school marching band or something like that. And we took a look at the photo of the car, and it appears to be something from the 60s. Also, I finally have the film back from shooting with the long lens on this camera. So let's finally take a look at these scans. So yeah, I'm really happy with how those came out. The landscape ones are just so pretty. The colors look amazing. So there you go, that's how that lens looks. I'm really happy with how those photos came out. Not all of those were shot with the long lens, some of them were shot with the shorter lens like the landscape ones. But I did use the long one for the duck photos, so there you go. You can see that manual focus is kind of hard. Anyway, that's it for this video. It was kind of short, but I hope you enjoyed the photos.